I didn't like the fact that
he and Maria did stuff. He now came and spoke
and
about it in the parlor.
That she fingered that one. It's not right.
Yeah, that thing felt somehow. Me too, I felt somehow because
what we're talking about.
me too, I'm a woman. Like, regardless.
That is why I don't play that.
You can't see. As in, I can't be talking about anything.
So
like
that's
that.
what we're talking about. And when he was joking, he was like, Pierre does not have sense. How can you go and say that? Maria trusted him.
So
I was not laughing. And I said, who told you?
Ibuka first talk about that. Me and our friendship no choke. Because I went to meet him and explained. I complete the video again.
And I said,
That is fucked up. Bro.
It's fucked up.
you show. Yes, now that was the conversation. Yeah, but that was what we were talking about. It wasn't even anything. Because we talk every time. That was the only time we actually had something to say. So he was like, but that Maria trusted him. I was not laughing. And I said, are you sure she did? She might have not trusted him. He now said for somebody to trust you with their pussy.
So don't they laugh?
I was laughing like that. He now said, no, for somebody to trust you with their pussy. That means the person trusts you. The thing was so funny to me. That's why I started laughing.
Man, that shit is...
But like what he said obviously made sense.
I'm not going to apologize. Me, I talked to him. I've talked to him about it already. For this, I was only me to talk to that guy.
Even,
that time when you and I fight,
yeah.
I spoke to him about it.
Yeah, you told me that. You told him that.
Everybody the para for nobody went to meet him. You saw, I wasn't here for a while. And later I come back because I was actually talking to him. Maria couldn't talk to me. Maria came to come and talk to him. Now only me declare him. That's why he likes me a lot because I usually talk to him. He believes I'm a genuine person. That one is down the drain.
But like